In today's lesson, we are going to look at adding pages to your WordPress website and then adding them to your menu on your website. For starters, we're going to find our website and then go to the backend by doing /wp-admin. Then you're going to have to log in. Once you're in the backend, we're going to go to Pages on your menu, and then you'll see that there's a couple pages here already, but I'm going to delete these because I don't want these pages. So you click that button there and it'll select them all, and then you click this and you click Move to Trash if you want to delete them, and then you click Apply. You don't need to delete the pages, I'm just doing that for my sake right now. Once you've done that, we're going to click Add New Pages. I'll go back, we're going to press Add New, and then you'll be presented with this nice looking interface. At the title, we're going to call our page, we're going to name the page with a title. So I'm going to call this page Home. Once you've done that, we're going to add some content to our page. Once we've added content to our page, we're going to press this Publish button, and then we're going to click it again because it's a new page. You've got to press it twice. Once this has come up, you know that your page is now live. Now that we have a page or a couple of pages, if you want to add more, we're going to add this page to our menu. To add pages to your menu, you've first got to create a menu. We're going to do that by going to Appearance and then Menus. Now it's going to prompt you to create a menu, and we're going to call this menu Main. Then we're going to click Create Menu. I'm going to create another menu by clicking here, and I'm going to call it Footer, so I can have a menu at the footer as well as at the top of my website. Once we've created, if you're going to create a footer menu, we're going to click Footer Menu and then click Save again so it all saves. Now we're going to go back to editing our main menu to add our home page or any pages you want to add to it. So we're going to click on this and then click Main or whatever menu you called it and then select. Now we're going to click on whatever pages we want to add, and you can also see more pages by most recent, viewing all, or searching. But we're just going to click on Home and then we're going to click on Add to Menu. We've also got to select this primary option for the main header. Now we're going to click Save Menu. Once this is done, we're going to go back to our website and refresh it. Now you can see that there is a menu with the home page.